Second application, conversion of units in one system into another system. So how to convert one system of units into another? Units are derived from the dimensions, and the dimensions are derived from the actual formulae of physical quantities. If the dimensions are known for physical quantity, then it is easy to express it in either of PS, CGS, MKS, and SI systems, or any other arbitrary chosen system also. Now here comes a formula which is used to convert one system of unit into another. Here n1 into m1 to the power a, l1 to the power b, t1 to the power c is equal to n2 into m2 to the power a, l2 to the power b, and t2 to the power c. Now here simply we can say n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. n1 n2 means number. Suppose if I say 5 kg is equal to dash gram, that means 5000 gram, represents n1. Kg represents unit, which is nothing but m1 l1 t1, equal to 5000 gram. 5000 represents n2 and gram represents m2 l2 t2. So this is how you are going to use the formula. n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2, or n1 into m1 to the power a, l1 to the power b, t1 to the power c is equal to n2 into m2 to the power a, l2 to the power b, and t2 to the power c. So always we have to find the value of n2 alone, because every time when you want to convert, you're going to find the right hand side term. So if you write the expression for n2 as n1 times of m1 by m2 whole to the power a into l1 by l2 whole to the power b into t1 by t2 to the power c. n1 and n2 are the magnitudes in the respective system of units, that is nothing but number. Smaller the unit, bigger the magnitude of a physical quantity, and vice versa. Generally, whenever the unit is small, its magnitude will be big. Example, 5 kg is equal to 5000 gram. If you see, kg is a bigger unit, so number is small, 5. 5000 gram. Gram is a small unit, so 5000 is a bigger value. So vice versa. For example, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now you can see meter is a bigger unit, so the value is small. Centimeter is a small unit, so its value is big. 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5 dynes. Similar. Example. To convert 1 joule in erg. So here I am going to show an example how we are going to convert 1 joule into erg. Joule is a unit of energy or work in SI system, and erg is the unit in CGS system. The dimension formula of energy or work is ml square t to the power minus 2. The units from dimensions in SI and CGS systems are kg meter square per second square, because you can see the dimension formula m represents kg, l represents meter, time represents second. So if you convert this into CGS, it will be gram centimeter square per second square. So joule can be written as kg meter square per second square, and erg can be written as gram centimeter square per second square. So let n1 joule is equal to n2 erg. I already told n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. U stands for unit, n stands for number. Now see here magnitude. So if I am going to take the SI system, n1 is nothing but 1, because our aim is to convert 1 joule equal to how many erg. So n1 is equal to 1, and we have to find the value of n2. Now see the units mass. In SI system, that is for joule, we have kg, because here it is kg, which is nothing but 1000 gram, meter 100 centimeter, second itself. In the same way, CGS system, if you see gram, 1 gram directly you can take, centimeter you can take, second. So here I converted kg in SI system into CGS. Now if you see, if you compare m to the power a, l to the power b, t to the power c with respect to the dimension formula, m L square t power minus 2. In place of A we have 1, in place of B we have 2, in place of C we have minus 2. Now apply the formula n2 equal to n1 into m1 by m2 whole to the power A, L1 by L2 whole to the power B, T1 by T2 whole to the power C. Now we have all the values m1, m2, L1, L2, T1, T2, A, B, C. Substitute them. You're going to have the expression in this way. If you calculate and cancel them, you get the answer as 10 to the power 7. So what is the unit? 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. So in this way, you are supposed to convert one system of unit into another system of unit. So first, know the unit, write the dimension formula, and arrange a table, convert the values, find the values of A, B, C, substitute in the formula, you will get the answer. Second example. To convert 1 Newton into a system where mass is measured in milligram, length in kilometer, and time in minute. So here I am going to take an arbitrary system. It doesn't belong to either SI, it doesn't belong to FPS, it doesn't belong to CGS. Sometimes you're going to have the questions like this: arbitrary system. Arbitrary means any unit they can give, and they'll ask you to convert one particular unit into the arbitrary units. Newton or kg meter per second square, because we know that Newton is nothing but kg meter per second square, which is a unit of force in SI system. And here if you see kilogram, we have to measure in terms of, convert in terms of milligram, length should be measured in terms of kilometer instead of meter, and time should be converted into minute. So if I write the same unit into the required format, that is arbitrary unit, so my unit will become kg power 1 means milligram, meter power 1 means kilometer, and second to the power minus 2 means minute to the power minus 2. So you write the SI system of unit into the required system of unit. The dimension formula is ml t power minus 2. Now we have the values of A, B and C, 1, 1 and minus 2. Let n1 Newton is equal to n2 milligram kilometer minute to the power minus 2. So this is our required arbitrary unit where we have to find the value of n2. Again have the table. So magnitude of n1 is 1, n2 we have to determine. Mass is in kg, so convert this kg into milligram. So you are going to have 10 to the power 6, because 1 kg is nothing but 1000 gram. And again 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So if you are going to have 10 to the power 6 milligram, and 2 is nothing but 1 milligram. Meter. So whenever you have meter, convert that into kilometer, because our required unit is kilometer here. So convert. So 1 by 1000 kilometer. Time 1 second, but we have to convert it into minute. So 1 by 60. Write the values of A, B and C. 1, 1, minus 2. Now substitute in the formula. You're going to have the expression like this. So finally, if you're going to calculate, you're going to have the answer as 3.6 into 10 to the power 6. That is our required value in the arbitrary unit.